After a long time, let's time to unbox something. But first, see this. So today we are going to do the unboxing of headphones which are from Rhythm and Blues. So let's get started. So here is the package, and this is the black box, looking very attractive. Let's open the box. I don't know like what is this. So now let's look into headphones, and here's the wire to connect it. So the headphones build quality is looking very good. The mesh is also kind of good, but the build quality, I say it's good. So these are the Amazon uh, recommended headphones that you can get for very cheap. So if you like the video, thank you, and I recommend you to buy this if you have a tight budget. So thank you for watching. So see you in the next video.